Hey guys, it's Tepco Cycle Repair. Today working on 2008 Suzuki GSX650F, and we're going to be changing out the fuel sending unit. The problem with this one is it's just getting a flashing fuel light. So I'm going to show you guys what a new one registers with an ohm meter and what an old one does. And basically so far all I've done is I got the tank off the bike. I got it flipped upside down. I've taken the whole fuel pump out of it. It's got 5mm Allen keys, and you just it's inside the tank there. You rotate it out, work it out, and then you unclip the sending unit. And the sending unit clips into the pump right there. All right, so when the pump is coming up, you just unclip it and take it out. So the sending unit's sitting inside here. If you look inside, you can kind of see where the clip is. You just reach in. It's got a little tab. Squeeze the tab and you're going to pull it out. I'll show you when I get it down here. There we go. All right. So here it is right here. And what I was doing was I'm reaching inside, just grabbing this little tab, and you can see the lock mechanism right there. So we're going to pull that one out. So what I'm going to do here is right here I have two. I have the brand new one right here, and I got the old one right here. So I'm going to hook up the ohm meter. I'm going to show you the difference in what we have. So our brand new one, we're just going to hit the positive and negative here to these two connectors. I have it in the ohms setting on the meter. Alright, so now we're going to swing it from one way. So all the way one way we got 215.9, and swinging all the way the other way, and we got 10.0. So let's go to the old one. Alright, so swinging all the way one way, we have 10.5. Just jumping all around, losing connection. There you go, 217.4. All the way the other direction. 14. See, it's jumping all over the place. It's not keeping a steady. It's not keeping a steady reading. So the problem with that is that you'll get weird readings and your bike's not going to be able to figure out what's going on. So it's going to start just flashing as a gas tank fuel low error. So we're going to throw the new one in and see how it does. All right, so there it is, slid back in. We're going to put the fuel pump back in. And the fuel pump, you got to go on a bit of an angle. So you're going to kind of go from the side here. Just kind of rotate it in. Alright, and just gently watch the wires and everything as you're putting them in. And then you're going to swing it around. And now if you look back over here, you can see where the plug is. Alright, so we can just take the plug and plug it back in. Alright, so let's lock in right there. Make sure your O-ring is good. It's an old one, make sure you replace it. And then we're just going to go ahead and put these 5mm back on, and then we'll go mount it up on the bike. Alright, there we go, all mounted back up on the bike. Looking good, gauge is working again. Alright guys, so that's all there is to it. It's real simple. Taking this tank off is only two 10mm right here and there to get that off. And you got your clip for the pump underneath and the two vent lines for the tank. Pull it off, flip it over, and get it done. You got a fuel gauge working again. It's real simple. Hopefully this helped you out, get that fuel gauge going again. And oh, there's also a little thermistor inside of there. That thermistor, when that goes bad, the only thing that does is kick on your reserve light on the gauge. So if you don't have a reserve light coming on, that would be the problem there. But yeah, hopefully that helps you out, guys. Get that fuel gauge working again. Please like, share, hit the bell for notifications. Till next time, it's Tepco Cycle Repair.